Good morning, students. Today we discuss extend function and insert function of list. Extend and insert both are list built-in functions. As we know that list is a sequence of values and we perform various operations on list. In a previous class we learn about the append function of list, and append function is used to add a single element to a list, and if you want to add a multiple elements to a list or a list within another list, then we use extend function. So we can say that extend method is used to add one list at the end of another list, or to add all the items of a list into another list. Syntax is list1 dot extend, and we pass another list as an argument to a extend function, where list1 is the primary list which will be extended and list2 is the list which will be added to the list1. For example, we have two lists. List1 contain elements 5, 3, 8, 6, and list2 contain 11 and 13. And we want to add list2 to list1. So we apply extend function list1 dot extend, and we pass list2 as a argument and then print the list1. When we run this program, we get output in which list2 is added to the list1. Let's do it practically. Suppose we have list1, we have taken a L1 as a list1 equals to elements of list1 are 5, 3, 8, 6. Then list2, suppose list2 is L2, and elements of list2 are suppose 12, 13. These are the elements of list2, and we want to add list2 with list1. So we apply a extend function L1 dot extend, and we pass L2 as a argument and print L1. Run this program. We get the output 5, 3, 8, 6, and list2 which contain 12 and 13 are added with L1 or list1. So this is the output. Next function is insert function. Insert function is used to insert an element or an object at a specified index. This function takes two arguments: index, where an item or a object is to be inserted, and the item or a element itself. And the syntax is list name dot insert, and the two arguments are index underscore number comma value, where list name is the name of the list, index underscore number is the index where the new value is to be inserted, and the value is the new value to be inserted in the list. For example, we have a list named names, contain elements Vinay, Sonia, Radhika. As this list contains string values, so we enclose the elements in a single quotes. Then names, and we apply insert function names dot insert, and we pass 2 Deepak. Here 2 is the index where we want to insert, and Deepak is the value which we want to insert. So we are inserting here Deepak at index value 2, means 0, 1, 2. Radhika se pehle insert ho jayega Deepika, means after Sonia we are inserting Deepika. Now print names, and when we run this program it gives us the output. Let's do practically. Suppose we have a list names equals to, we have taken as a, we are taking as a string, a list containing string values, comma, next value is, suppose we have Sonia, next value is Radhika, and next value is, suppose we have Shaurya. Enclose the list here by using a square bracket, as we know that lists are always enclosed in square brackets. Then apply insert function, names dot insert, and pass the index value and the index number and the value as a insert as a argument. As we know that in insert function we pass two arguments. First is the index number and second is the value. So index, suppose we have taken index 2 and the value, suppose we want to insert Deepak, and then print the list, and list name is name, so print names. Run this program and you get the output. यहाँ पे जो दीपक is inserted at index value 2. See, Vinay is at index 0, Sonia is at index 1, and index 2 we inserted Deepak. Now Radhika moves to index 3, as we have inserted a new value at index 2. Let's do another example. Suppose we have a list 1, we have taken list 1 and it contains the values 10, 20, 30. Suppose this is a list. Next, L1 dot append, here we are applying a append function and we are passing 20 as a argument to it. Then print L1. Next, list 1 equals to, suppose we have a list 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Suppose we have a list this. Then list 1 dot extend, here we are applying now extend function, extend, and we pass another list as a argument. Suppose it's have values 60, 70. Again print list 1. Now apply insert function on it. Then list 1 dot insert, and at 0 index we are putting 5, suppose. Then print list 1. Run this program. First of all, it insert 20 with the list, as we are we are entering a value by using a append function. Append function से हमने 20 पास किया है. We pass argument as a 20 as a argument append में, तो उसने ऐड कर दिया 20 को लिस्ट के साथ. दूसरी लिस्ट थी, हमने उसमें बाय यूजिंग एक्सटेंड फंक्शन हम अनदर लिस्ट ऐड करते, इसकी वैल्यू 60 और 70 थी. तो जब हमने रन कराया तो 60 और 70 इसमें ऐड हो गए. देन वी यूज एन इंसर्ट फंक्शन एंड वी आर इंसर्टिंग 5 एट इंडेक्स वैल्यू 0, तो उसने इंडेक्स 0 पे 5 वैल्यू को इंसर्ट कर दिया. अब सपोज वी आर यूजिंग बाय यूजिंग append फंक्शन वी आर एडिंग अ लिस्ट. Suppose we are adding a list. Here the elements are 50, 60. Run this program. Then when we pass list in append function, it क्रिएट्स अ नेस्टेड लिस्ट। जो लिस्ट था उसके अंदर उसने एक और लिस्ट ऐड कर दी, लेकिन नेस्टेड लिस्ट है। लेकिन जब हम वही एक्सटेंड फंक्शन से ऐड कर रहे हैं लिस्ट को अपने अनदर लिस्ट में, देन इट इज़ डूइंग चेंजेस। उसी लिस्ट में वैल्यूज़ ऐड हो जा रही हैं, नई लिस्ट उसमें ऐड नहीं हो रही। सो दिस इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अपेंड फंक्शन एंड द extend function. So these are the this is all about the insert and extend function. Thank you.